Last night I had a prophetic dream. I saw tanks running through the street. There were encampments of people. People were running for food and were fighting for water. Global infrastructure was dying. Things were starting to change on such a scale that people were running to other countries, like Italy, Barcelona, all these different countries and cities to get away from what was happening in the United States.